two nice mice.
Yeah.
Once there were 3 mice. 2 of the mice were nice and followed their mother's advice, which was never make the same mistake twice. All of the mice would scratch because all of the mice had lice. They heard if they ate rice with spice, it would rid them of their lice. So all of the mice ate the farmer's rice, along with the farmer's spice. The farmer didn't think that was so nice. So the farmer tried to entice the mice with cheese that he had diced. The farmer placed the dice inside a device that would trap the mice. One of the mice went into the device to get the dice of cheese. He nearly paid with his life. A very high price for a dice of cheese. The 2 nice mice pulled him out of the device before he was trapped inside. Next, the farmer tried to entice the mice with a whole slice sprinkled with spice. One of the mice went back into the device to get the slice of cheese. The other 2 mice tried to pull him out. Before they could get him out, the door slammed shut and cut off his tail. Oh dear! One of the mice had to sacrifice because he made the same mistake twice. But they put his tail on ice, and the doctor was able to make a splice and put the tail back on. How nice! One of the mice made the same mistake twice. But now he vows not to make it thrice.